Welcome to the Mid-Coast School of Technology. So we're at 150 people. It's a little tight in here. Everybody that's presenting here is volunteering. I'd like to give Swarco McCain some recognition for helping us out with the food. We also have vendor tables downstairs showing their wares. We did the afternoon sessions a little bit different this year. Since we have 16 and 17 sessions each day, we decided to make 4 45-minute sessions to give you guys a little more choice to select from. Check out all 3 days and what's happening in the afternoons. At the end of each day, for those of you who need PDHs, those forms will be downstairs on one of the tables. I'd like to thank you all for coming. I'm hoping that you can get something out of this. Don't try to take it all in at once. Take in a few things and make the best of it.